Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy.
What?
Well, hey guys, welcome back to Crazy.
Arrow.
And we're doing Sour Patch Kids. Oh no, we're not sponsored, but we're going to just see how many we can get. Let's get a packet. So let's go. Daniel, a red one. Red one. Get a red one. And the last one. Right, we're going to put a red one in the mouth.
A red one.
We're going to get 5 reds out.
No, we've only got 1 red right now. Just eat 1 red.
We're going to count to 10 and then put another
now
red.
Let's try a yellow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, another red one.
No.
Oh my god. You're sour.
Right, Eve. Now let's try the disgusting.
I'm not putting a yellow one in my mouth.
Disgusting. And these yellow ones are disgusting. Let me just show the camera down real quick.
You
They're
can
the
see
yellow
it.
ones. They're disgusting. Let's go.
Right, I'm putting another red one in. Oh my god. Go and drop the door. Oh my god.